my God, you fly thousands of miles to get some sun, some wind, and some dawn. Typical tropical. I go on vacation, and Mother Nature gives up on me. Yeah, what a lady. Thanks for at least sending it down preheated. It doesn't seem to bother the natives, though. Back home, it gets no one laughing. And how they even sing to it. Must be some voodoo rain chant or something. And it sure sounds familiar. Oh, well, I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun